In this video, we will talk about why Cult DAO has the potential to be the next Shiba Inu. We're going to jump right into this growing crypto movement by going over exactly what Cult DAO is, how it works, where it's going, and how it's fighting for freedom and a decentralized future through innovative solutions. Welcome to the channel. We will talk about all things crypto and give you all the news, insights, and hottest projects to buy right now. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you want to stay updated on all the crypto trends. What is Cult DAO? Cult is a decentralized autonomous organization that focuses on community and helps forward thinkers fund, build, and scale blockchain-based crypto projects. These projects aim to continue the advancement of the decentralized revolution. Cult's main objective is to accelerate the DeFi revolution by empowering people to break away from societal, economic, and other norms. The organization provides its users with the necessary support and tools to launch DeFi-oriented projects. To create and sustain a completely decentralized economy, the DAO's blockchain protocol employs a tradable and liquid token known as Cult. The Cult token powers the Cult DAO organization and fuels its decentralized funding mechanism. The Origins of Cult DAO. Cult was founded to revolt against and break free from the chains that bind us. It began with the realization that we exist today simply as cogs in the system, serving an economic function to enrich central banks. While the primary focus of central banks is maximum employment, the primary focus for many of us is freedom, whether it's the freedom to decentralize by investing in blockchain technology or the freedom to love who we want. Out of this quest for freedom, Cult was born. Knowing that not everyone can live in the woods, Cult founder Mr. Omodulus released the Cult Manifesto and launched the autonomous organization in early 2022. In the Cult Manifesto, he mentioned that by launching Cult, the world's first completely decentralized token was made available to those who contribute or build toward a decentralized future. According to Mr. Omodulus, the Cult DAO protocol exists to help the many achieve financial freedom by not having to rely solely on wage labor. It aims to fill this gap by paying users and promoting the cause of decentralization and the Cult ecosystem. In other words, Cult DAO wants to create a decentralized financial ecosystem that permeates popular culture. It seeks to achieve this goal by promoting Cult, staking Cult, and creating a revolution in finance. The concept of Cult aims to be the first completely decentralized funding mechanism to support those eager to break society's ties. Implementing this concept involves the transaction and exchange of Cult to continuously provide project funding, pay investors, and replenish the treasury. This led to the development of an autonomous, self-governing ecosystem that rewards large-scale contributors, known as the Guardians, and those who contribute at a smaller yet equally important level, known as the Many. How does Cult DAO work? Cult takes decentralization seriously, as evidenced by not holding the private keys to the funds held within the DAO by DAO members. Instead, the DAO operates independently and is entirely controlled by non-upgradable smart contracts. These smart contracts send out 13 ETH investments to each guardian who submitted a proposal and received a successful governance vote. To become eligible for funding, a proposal must fulfill the following 3 criteria: fighting against centralization, advancing the cause of decentralization, and directly benefiting a noble cause. Only the Guardians can submit proposals. The Guardians are Cult DAO's top 50 individuals who hold the most Cult tokens. Due to their history of staking Cult, they are given the honorable task of creating, safeguarding, and sending proposals to the Many. If a proposal meets at least 2 of the 3 conditions, the Many, who comprise the rest of the DAO, can then vote on whether to approve the proposals and support investments. Staking is possible with Cult's Proof of Stake token, D-Cult. When you stake your Cult into the DAO, you receive D-Cult, which can later be exchanged for the Cult you originally staked. Additionally, holding D-Cult makes you eligible to receive a portion of the token paid into the DAO as a thank you and incentive for supporting the cause. The concept of revolting against the establishment by furthering decentralization led to the development of an autonomous, self-governing ecosystem built around rewarding those who further the cause. To achieve this, the Revolt to Earn (RVLT) token was created as the first token of the Cult DAO ecosystem. It is a proof-of-stake token built on the Polygon blockchain. While the Cult token funds the acceleration of the DAO's protocol decentralization, Revolt supports individual Cult DAO users working toward the same goal. However, Cult is not your ordinary crypto or VC fund. It features a provocative manifesto, a decentralized governance model for proposals and voting, unchangeable smart contracts, and zero private key access. Cult currently has a market cap of 31 million. The all-time high market cap is almost 100 million, and that all-time high was reached last year's summer. Looking at how the project is being handled and how Cult is really a cult in itself, a market cap of 2 billion is not crazy to think of in a bull run. That is roughly a 65x from here. When we look at Bitcoin, the price keeps going up. It recovered from the fall to $20,000 last week to $27,000 plus right now. It is really possible that we see the start of the bull run in 2023. What is the best method for investing? The best method for investing is dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is the practice of regularly investing a fixed amount of money regardless of the token price. This is a good way to develop a disciplined investing habit, invest more efficiently, and possibly reduce stress levels and costs. Dollar cost averaging can also help keep your emotions from hurting your portfolio. For example, if you invest a large amount of money in one trade, you are more likely to regret it if the trade goes bad. Behavioral economists note that most people are inherently loss-averse. They tend to react more strongly to losses or the likelihood of them than to gains. However, with dollar cost averaging, you invest small amounts of money over time, making it easier to absorb poorly timed investments. Let's say you invest $100 every month. If the market goes up, $100 buys you fewer tokens. But if the market goes down, your money buys more. Over time, this strategy can lower average prices per token compared to what you would have paid if you bought all the tokens at once when they were more expensive than average. And that's a wrap for our video on why Cult can become the next Shiba Inu. Do you think Cult can also reach billions of market cap like Shiba Inu? Let us know in the comments. We are definitely keeping our eyes peeled on this project and have high expectations. Of course, there are many other promising projects out there, so be sure to do your own research before investing. If you are interested in more crypto content, feel free to check out our other videos to be in the loop on all things crypto. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crypto-related content.